Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find where the electric parking brake fuses relays are located on Mercedes GLC first generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, for the parking brake fuses relays, come to show you where you can expect to find them. You may have all of them or some, we'll talk about that. Now, what we need to do, we need to go ahead and open the trunk. When you open the trunk, leave the cover up. Underneath you have some storage space, and that cover here you need to open it. When you do that, underneath is the main trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here, guys, depending on whether you have the AMG option or not, things may differ in the year, model and engine as well. But you may have fuse number 434. You wonder where it's located? Well, if you come in that row of fuses, that's 431, 32, 33, 34. Right here. Could be one of the fuses, guys. Next, you need to find fuse 449. It will be right there. If you don't have these ones, don't freak out. You may need to check your ABS, brake control module fuses relays, where they're located now, guys. One is on the driver's side. On the side of the dash, you have a cover. When you remove it, you have that layout. Here specifically, you will need to, guys, check fuse 211 on the very bottom. Now, after that, you need to check the engine. Open the engine, guys, right here. And on the right side, on the driver's side, under that cover is the main engine fuse box. Here, you may need to check a few more fuses. We're talking about fuse 118 if you have this one, or 121 right there. Okay. And after that, here where the positive jump starter terminal is located, if you remove that trim piece, underneath is another pre-fuse box. This is the back side of it. Okay, we have multiple wires and cables going in and out, and if you open it, it will look something similar to this one. You have multiple fuses. Here specifically, you will need to check, guys, okay, fuse C/3/1, C3/2. Okay, these two fuses right here will need to be checked too. Those are the main things. If you still have problems with it, we recommend to check fuses relays for the front and rear SAM control module, SAM module. We'll have the video on the channel where you can find the front and rear SAM control module fuses relays. Check it out, guys. We're here to save you as much money as we can. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have two different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.